Okay, everybody, this is my loose parts heart. I made it out of Play-Doh. So here we have the right ventricle, the right atrium, the superior vena cava, the aortic arch, the pulmonary artery, the pulmonary veins, the left atrium, and left ventricle. So how this works in a healthy heart, the right atrium receives the blood from the body and it pumps it into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps the blood to the lungs through the pulmonary valve. The left atrium receives the oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and it pumps it to the left ventricle. And then the left ventricle pumps the blood to the aortic valve and out to the rest of the body. The aorta up here is gonna be where your blood supply comes from. So the heart defect that I'm going to talk about is Tetrology of Fallot. So basically, Tetralogy of Fallot is made up of 4 defects of the heart. So first, one of the defects would be a hole in the wall between the 2 lower chambers, which are the ventricles down here. That would be called ventricular septal defect, or VSD. The second one would be a narrowing of the pulmonary valve, which is your main pulmonary artery, which is this right here. This is also called pulmonary stenosis. The third is going to be in the aortic valves up here. So it is enlarged and only opens from both ventricles, whereas in a normal heart, it only comes from the left ventricle. And the fourth one is the muscular wall of the lower right chamber over here in the right ventricle. It's going to be thicker than normal.